Hello, good day. I am in Village Sadina and I like to present to you today a lovely spot sitting at the edge of a Village Sadina. Look at a wonderful view down, and here you can see all the village like sitting on your hands, and you have a little black road which going to the extra land which is outside regulation. Here at the moment you can see two houses which been only the roof renovated, little bit outside render, two big barns, and with agriculture land on the back, coming up to 4,000 square meter land. For this, make sure if you like this property, you must set up a Bulgarian limited company. Other way, you will be not able to buy the agriculture land which come part of that. Take a look with us. I will show you all what is here. Hello, I am in Sadina and continuing show you these two houses with a barn with nearly 5,000 square meter land sitting in a hill at the edge of the village. Sadina, it's a very nice and friendly village, only 20 minutes drive or 18 kilometers away from Popovo. Is 55 kilometers to Ruse town, to the border with Romania. Nice and social. The village is split in two parts, old Sadina and new Sadina. Have 4 or 5 shops, a little restaurant. Foreigner woman developed the restaurant and she serve a nice dinners only on a weekend, and nice and quiet. The property sits next to a forest with really incredible views above there. I will show you. The houses are old, the roof been maintained and remounted of this one. This one is built from stone, wood construction, mud bricks, have a lovely nice cold basement. It's lovely. The walls are over 50 centimeter deep. The house needs renovation, how I already mentioned, but it's a really nice place you can sit and enjoy your life in Bulgaria. No one will bother you at the edge. You will hear in only the nice noise of the nature life. We are at the number 1 house. I start with the best old one. Have a typical traditional old wooden balcony which called sundurma. Nice big thick steps from stones and 2 rooms. The property need lots of work, but can come be a 3 rooms can become a really nice feature. If you decide to renovate it. That is the house number 1. Hello, it's me again. We are in the same properties. One big plot with 3 houses on it. We're going to see the house number 2. And here you can hear the village dog, which is not happy because I do too many noises. And there down is the barn, and there down it's a client with who I viewing today. You never know, maybe he no buying and somebody else decide to buy. But the property is really unique. These days it's really hard to find properties with big land, but come, we go see it. This is the house number 2. Have a very heavy metal door and big open place. That on the right side was animal building, and actually the house is only from one room and a little quiet storage. I'll show you over here. For me it's more like a workshop or a barn rather to be a house, but it's big here. It's possible people with a nice imagination to create a really nice little cottage for them. Bedroom, kitchen, open plan bathroom and a toilet, and good hanger for work. Hello, we reached to number 3 property in the same plot. That was number 2. There down is the barn, and there it's a number 1. Nice and quiet, beautiful, nice and relaxed, lovely place. Next door I have lots of fruit gardens on the side, lots of fruit trees, and this is the number 3 house. And after we will take a long walk so you can see it, the rest of the land, which is not building land, no in regulation, is agriculture land. The owner tried to keep all the nice old authentic pieces were in this house, and we will have to climb on that step up ladder to can see upstairs, because supposed to have internal staircase. Look at that lovely big stone basement. It's lovely, nice and cold. Today we are in an orange zone of heating in Bulgaria. It's 37 degrees and we are working, even we viewing. At the moment I'm with a client who like to see another nice houses in same village, Sadina. I'll show you here the other room. Here the idea was to be a kitchen and living room. Hello, I'm going to show you the second floor of a number 3 house. I just managed to climb over this little silly ladder there down, but I am up and I will show you. Here the idea of the seller was to create a nice veranda and internal stairs or outside stairs which can bring you to the floor. Here the walls are a hard render. The original wooden beams been kept nice and cool. Some storage, perfect usually for bathroom and a toilet. The roof is new, no matters inside the house how bad look at, but the roof is new with all new timber and kept the original old tiles, kept to keep the property in the authentic look. And this is the second room upstairs. Again, electric, it's here, new wiring sticking off the walls, hard render, just need to be finishing in come a very nice guest property or just place to park your caravans and enjoy the quiet in Bulgaria. Hello again. Now the property have our own private road. The owner keep maintaining well, which is great, and I can bring you to see the rest of the land, which is up on the top, and is agriculture. Here, if you walk, you can think you are in a forest. Look at that view there. At the moment, the corporations in Bulgaria, they are using the combine in the fields and collect all the lovely weeds to have a nice flour and tasty Bulgarian bread. It's a gorgeous place to be. You can come and set up your campsite. Sorry if I sound out breath. Just nature. Beautiful, beautiful. I make all the video to the old walk to see. It's big, but same moment is lovely. Really lovely. This is actually the agriculture plot, which is part of these 3 houses, which this nice gentleman selling. And look at that view and that quietness. It's beautiful. Beautiful place to be. You can see all the village on your hands. I using the twisty pictures and twisty video so you can catch the panoramic at the moment. And now we're going back to the normal size videos. This is place which is not for miss. Beautiful, really beautiful and stunning. It's beautiful. The land here at the edge is on a slope, but is really amazing, where you can pull just a tent or camper and enjoy the nature in Bulgaria. A village Sadina near Popovo region, Targovishte. And now I'm taking a walk back up to my car. This was from me for today. Visit our website bg.house or our YouTube channel. I gonna catch another nice property. See you later from us.